Hey everybody, welcome to the replay. I have a new Sparkle Hustle Grow box. Yes, I do. And I also know that something is way wrong with my title, which I need to fix that. So I'm gonna do that. Hi Cindy. Hi Christy. How's it going? Welcome to Friday night. I need to quickly edit. Oh no, it worked on this one. It must be just on my other one. Never mind. I use voice. Do you guys ever do that? Like your voice on your phone to type? Welcome to Friday night. And I was using my voice to type, and every time I do that, it's gets crazy messed up. And so I did Sparkle Hustle Grow box exclamation point, and it did Sparkle Hospital Grow. So oh my gosh, it was crazy. Hi Jen. Hi Shamir. Hello, hello. Hi Michelle. Okay, so I have a new box this month, and it's right here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it up. And so I had gotten this as a gift, so I thought my other two were gifts, but this actually is, and I ended up subscribing to this, which it's really, really cool. And what I love about it is the monthly subscription box for female entrepreneurs. So any of us who are female hustlers, man, I mean the good kind, right? Not the not the bad kind. And anyway, hey Jessica. So for female entrepreneurs, what I love about this, it comes with a community where you can join in the Facebook group, and then you also get training with every box. So you get a like a month subscription, or to a group, or to there's actually a free group that you can just join, which is other ladies who are getting this as well. So I'm so excited to open up. So I'm going to share with you. Let me do my little fun thing. So here is my box. Of course, I have my boss lady and my dream big, always, always, always. Let's see what is in the December box. I'm sure this is December, by the way. I'm sorry, I'm totally late. This actually does say it's a gift. My other ones did not, so now I'm like wondering if they were from somebody else. Which is really cool, because here I have a $5 off my first month, but since I already joined, I don't know if I can use that, but I'm excited that I got this. Yay, and thank you to Brenda who ordered it for me. So we'll save that there. And it says, yay, it's here. And that's exactly what I say when I get my box. Sparkle Hustle Grow. Oh, December 2018. So December's theme is know what you want. I know a lot of things about what I want, and I know a lot of things about what I don't want. So we're getting, ooh, all this stuff. It tells you what you're getting. I don't want to read. If I wanted to read, I would order a book. Did I really say that? Yes, I did. Hi, Shannon. Hi, Crystal. December 2018 online training, Talk Trello to Me by Brittany Dixon. Brittany and Company Consulting, founder and business organizer. So you get your free, you register for free for the software. I guess it's a software training. Cute. She's cute. I'll have to look at that. I'm in the middle of the other book. I have gotten a book each month, and that's really awesome because it comes with training. And I'm in the middle of one of the books that's really, really good. I'll show it to you. It's a brand new book, and it was out for free download. If you do, oh, now I wish I had that link. Yay, your Bloom desk easel is here. I'm so excited. What is that? This is some of my favorite stuff right here, is the filler. I just love it because it's gold and white. It's not just plain. Okay, so bloom easel. This is a bloom easel. It's so cute. Hold on, I gotta open it. I'm gonna put it on my desk. I'm very excited. Like I can't rip off the package quick enough. Ooh, it's very nice and I love the color. The best is yet to come. This is cool. Oh, and then it has little quotes for each day. Isn't that cool? Hey, Sean McCoy, how's it going? That is really cool. So today is I don't know, I'm still on spring break. Accomplishment starts with confidence, planning, and goal setting. Very true, very true. So, I guess...
Mom, can you sign me up for baseball?
Already did, buddy. That was Easton. Can you sign me up for baseball? Oh, yeah, already done. So that's really cool. I'm gonna put that on my little easel there. I've never had one of those. I love them. Okay, oh, and I love these. A business card, a little business card holder. Do I have any business cards right near me? No, but look, I have a $100 wine voucher. But yeah, they just sit in there like that. That's really cool. For my desk, which frankly, I'd probably be more apt to use it at events, right? Like you put it out and put your cards in it. Oh, getting ready for your live. Yep, I'm gonna do a live after this. I have to do a couple lives. I need to review my I got a new fun toy. Ha ha ha. It is, it's a new hot glue gun. This is Molly Jacobs, and it is a fun little pouch. Ooh, it's cute. Oh, Jen Cooley, good point. There's no year on this, so you can use it over and over because these are really inspirational and really cute. That is awesome. And it is really nice and sturdy. Like, it's a nice deal right there. Okay, Molly Jacobs little pouch. Clearly, this is for my cute makeup that needs to go with me wherever I, you know. This is cute. It's nice, soft. That's fun. All these cute colors coordinate with everything. I love that. My goodness. And, okay, 2 more things. Make your dreams happen. Molly Jacobs matches. And it says 2019, so I'm guessing this is like a little planner. If I could find the opening to it, I will open it. It's kind of like trying to open like American cheese slices. I never ever could do those. Like when I was a kid. Okay, make your dreams happen. Oh, it's just like a cute little notebook. A planner, but not a planner because it's just notes. It has lined pages. See that? Very cute. I love notebooks. Always taking notes. Always. And maybe I'll use it when I read The Magic of Tiny Business. You don't have to go big to make a great living by Sharon Rowe, founder and CEO of EcoBags. Oh, I know that. Yeah. Very cool. So, now I have another book. I didn't finish my first 2, but I've started them and they're really, really good. The first, well, I started 1 and it's really, really good. And that's the one where I think people were trying to find it and it's brand new. I'm going to grab it because it's right here. And I think, This one, Climb Your Own Ladder. It was on, I wrote it down in my notebook. It was, look it up. It was on, oh, what's the book? It's the one, oh, Shannon, absolutely. You need, yeah, you need to read my books too. This one was on free download from Kindle, the Kindle version. You could go on, I don't know if it still is, it was just like a week that it was gonna be free, but Climb Your Own Ladder, become the CEO of your own business. And yeah, so check that one out. I wish I had the, this is from Boss Mom. Do you know what I'm talking about? Anyway, check it out. I'm loving my boxes, and you guys can get your own. I put a little link in the comments, and I put a link at the top of, hopefully at the top of this page, so you guys can see that. Later on my page tonight, I'm gonna be going live, and I'm gonna do a review of some new tools that I purchased, and also I'm gonna do a project. So catch you later. And if you're watching the replay, check all this stuff out. All right, guys, bye.